What's up, guys? I'm back again, and I'm gonna go over ticker symbol GME, or other known as GameStop, and I'm gonna go over it and see if it's worth buying. Everyone keeps saying diamond hands or whatever. That's over with now. So let's actually look at the stock and see if it's worth buying. So I have it right here. It's a strong sell already. So the what I say about this is we don't really know if it's really a strong sell or not until we look at it. The analyst says it's supposed to be $7. It's $20. You know what? I'm not gonna argue with them, but the past 3 months is up, 6%. 5 years, it's up 18%. 3 years, it's down 24% or 54.48%. It is up for the 5 year, 929%. But that's because of what was going on with it. And I don't really like to follow those hypes and all that stuff. The investor group that's in it right now is Vanguard Group, BlackRock, State, and Charles Schwab. BlackRock is in it, but let's look at the top sellers. Cool. There looks like none of the big corporations besides Vanguard is selling their stock. So that's kind of interesting. New shareholders, there are actually a good amount of people buying the share. Renaissance Technology bought 1 million shares at market value of $12.58. I don't know this company, so I will have to look them up later. But if someone bought 1 million shares, that's interesting, and I should look into it. BlackRock owns 25 million shares or 22 million shares, and Vanguard owns 25 million shares. And those are the top shareholders. Let's look at the finance, see if they're dilute shares 30. So they made less money. No, operation income went up 88.93%. So it costs more to operate this year. And operation expenses went down 21%, so that's good. But gross profit also went down 5% from last year. I'm pretty sure it all started going down because the gaming systems. GameStop makes money off of games, so no one has really put out a new game system for a while, so that kind of makes sense. Now, believe it or not, their net profit is 0.13%. So they're actually making money now. And 2023, they lost money. So from 2019 to 2023, they lost money. And this year, in 2024, they're making money, and they're up 0.13%. So that's not bad. They're earning money. Revenue for GameStop year over year is negative 19%. I don't like that, so that's not very good. Efficiency. Let's actually go on the earning page. Wow. Every quarter in 2025, they expect to be in the negative. I kind of don't like that, to be honest. I'm not going to really look into it much more, but if the earning per share revenue is in the negative, I can't. It looks horrible in it. But some people think it's going to be bullish. I like to look at the calls, option, and puts. It helps me understand what people are trying to do. You might not understand it, but cause and put can affect how it does. And also like to look, what is the insider trading? Huh. So this person bought 10K worth of share, but this person sold 214. Well, that's not bad. But selling 8K. I don't like people selling stocks if they're in it, but it looks like everyone. So the independent director, Larry Chang, bought some, but the general counsel secretary sold his share. Let's see. Who is more? Daniel is the principal finance officer, is selling his share of 8K. Let's see if the CEO is selling his, because if he's selling his, that'd be a big problem. So Grant, so they got these for. So bought. So in June, the owner bought more shares, which is not bad. So the CEO is buying it, but the financial officer is selling. And they do have a strong sell. Investors are leaving the company, and just in case, let me check. Yeah, I'm gonna say I agree. It's a strong sell. If I go to projection, let's blow this up just in case so y'all can see it. Projection. And we look at the probability. If y'all see these numbers, it looks like it's going to be down by the projection. Now, it could or it could not, but I'm going to be honest with you. It doesn't have a dividend, so I wouldn't be interested to try to put it in my portfolio now because the revenue doesn't look like it's going to get anywhere. And GameStop hasn't added anything to their portfolio, as in selling different type of product. I wish that GameStop got into selling Pokemon cards and Magic cards and all that stuff, because that would greatly assist their market share into the gaming industry. But until they do something dramatic like that, where they can purchase from those companies, I don't think they're going to have any capability to recover. Now, BlackRock is owner of it, and they own 7% of the company. And I'm not sure if they own it because of what happened. So this one makes me think, because they're not buying no more shares, and that's good news. But Vanguard looks like it's slowly leaving, and I think BlackRock is just gonna sit on it for a while and watch what happens. But it looks like almost everything is down today anyways. Even Bank of America's down, Silver's down, Meta's down, AMD's down. Yes, so we have no dividend payout for this company or GameStop. Their market cap is 6.17 billion and the average volume is 43.53 million. The valuation of price earning is 969.89. So is it gonna The growth rate is revenue is backwards. Profitability for operation is 3%, 23. So return on capital is negative 68%. Yeah, return on your money. Yeah, efficient return on assets. No. So pretty much there's no return on GameStop. And if you're an investor, you're looking for a return on your investment. And if they're not giving a return, it's no point of buying them. So yeah, GameStop is still not worth buying in my opinion. So please like and subscribe, comment down below. You can hate it or like it, but I say avoid GameStop because numbers don't lie. Even though BlackRock owns it, but they kind of got tricked into owning it. Who knows? It's not my business. I don't own BlackRock, but I do watch what they do because they do have a lot of money and they do own a lot of pieces of a bunch of companies. So they should know better than anyone else. All right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.